Hey, what's up guys? It's Joe here, and today's problem is valid anagram on Leetcode. Alright guys, so here's the problem. Given two strings s and t, write a function to determine if t is an anagram of s. And you can see here this output is true because every letter in s is found in t with the same frequency also. And that's what the definition of an anagram is that both strings will contain the same frequency of letters in each of the strings. And you can see here this returns false because t is not found in the variable t. And so just by going off of the definition of what an anagram is, we can build a map that maps the character to the frequency, and we can just build it off of s, build the frequency table off of it, and then decrement the frequencies and what we see as we go through t, so that the frequency table at the very end, it will have 0 values for the frequencies, meaning that we've seen all of the values in s inside of t. So let's get to it. We'll first do some edge case checks here to check if s and t are null, or if s.length is equal to 0, or t.length is equal to 0. And if so, we will return true because then there'll be empty strings, and two empty strings are anagrams of each other. Otherwise, we'll go ahead and build out the map here. So map is equal to new hash map. And then we'll go through the characters in s. S.to character array. And we'll say here, we want to build this table, so map.put of c, and then map.get or default to c or 0 plus 1, and that'll map out the frequencies. And then we'll go through now t.to character array, and here we'll be decrementing so that way we get zeros in all of the frequencies, and that way we can check to see if we've actually found all the values in s in t. And map dot so here first we'll check if the character, the map dot contains the key here. If it doesn't, then we can just return false because some character in s was not found in t. Otherwise, we'll say put of this character, and we'll say map.get of c, and we'll -1 from it to fix that value. And then afterwards, we'll say go and get the value from the map.values. And then we want, so as we go through the values, we want to check that the value is equal to 0. And if it is not equal to 0, then we want to return false, because some values in there's like a discrepancy between the frequency of characters in s when we compared it to t here. And then otherwise, if everything checks out correctly, then we return true. And what happened here? So false, small error here. So expected true, this was false. So first we checked here, the map, we put everything into the map, and we go through here. If it does not contain the character key, then return false. And This one put here, then we check against here. If the value is not equal to 0, then return false. And I think that's good. And that's it, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want more stuff like this, and I'll see you in the next one.